one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Some things in your life have felt slightly out of place, not completely broken, not fully settled either. You've been aware of the tension, the little areas that don't seem to flow as they should, and at times it's left you feeling somehow stretched inside. Yet this is not the sound of everything falling apart. It is the sound of the Lord bringing things into alignment as He fine-tunes the details of your life. The Lord says, "Trust in me that I am at work," both in ways that are visible and can be seen, but also in ways that you do not see at first. For I am the one who is taking care of every detail. I am the one who is bringing my order and my peace. Trust in me that I'm bringing an alignment between the heavens and the earth, between my ways and yours. I'm fine-tuning the details of your life as I sing over you a song of blessing, as I sing over you a song of love and of peace. Don't fear, but trust in me, for I am with you this day. I'm blessing you as I fill you again, as I fill you anew. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.